In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a discount at Ikea. Ikea is renowned for its stylish yet affordable home furnishings, but did you know there are even more ways to save money while shopping there? I'm going to take you through some easy steps to maximize your savings with Ikea. First, open up your browser and head over to the official Ikea website. Make sure to select your country or region to ensure you're viewing the relevant deals and offers available in your area. Once you're on the right regional site, let's proceed to log into your account, or sign up if you haven't already done so. You'll find the login or sign up option clearly visible on the home page. After signing up, enter your email, choose a secure password, and complete the registration process by logging in. After logging in, you'll want to join the IKEA Family Program. Click on the IKEA Family section from the website's main menu, then select Join IKEA Family. Signing up for this program is completely free, and it provides access to a range of great discounts and benefits. Once you're part of IKEA Family, check your email regularly, as IKEA often sends personalized discounts and promo codes exclusively to members. These limited-time offers can help you snag some significant savings on your favorite items. It's important to adjust your communication preferences in your profile to make sure you're set up to receive these marketing updates and don't miss out on future deals. Next, explore the IKEA Family Offers page. This section lists all the current deals available to members, including discounts on a variety of items from furniture to kitchenware. Make it a habit to visit this page frequently, as deals are updated regularly, allowing you to catch seasonal or flash sales as they happen. Pay attention to major sales events that IKEA hosts throughout the year, such as summer sale, year-end clearance, and Black Friday deals. These events are excellent opportunities to pick up big-ticket items at a fraction of the cost. Keep an eye on the offers section and consider signing up for newsletters to be the first to know about these events. If you happen to prefer in-store shopping, make sure to carry your IKEA Family Card. Scanning your card at checkout might unlock exclusive in-store perks like meal discounts, free coffee, and special price reductions on specific items. Another great tip is to visit the As-Is or Bargain Corner in your local IKEA store. You can often find display models, discontinued items, or products with slight imperfections at a discount of 50% to 70%. By following these steps and taking full advantage of the IKEA family perks and offers, you can enjoy quality home furnishings at a more affordable price. Happy shopping and happy saving!